Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eon's Battle, and in this video I'm going to show you how bases were made in the glory days of 40k. Here are the paints I'll be using. So the first thing I did was I took some 25mm bases and a square cavalry base, which were of the period, and I painted them with some wood glue. I applied this with a damp paintbrush, and then I sprinkled on some sand that was a little bit too thick, but that was of the style of the time. Then, to make sure the sand stayed put, I applied a binder to it. You could skip this step, but I find it helps, and I have a video on how I make the binder. Once that was dry, it was time to apply a primer, and no airbrushing here, I brushed on the primer like a caveman. Then I gave all three bases a few thick coats of Formula P3 Wurm Green, which is a nice match to the bright greens Games Workshop was making at the time. Once that was dry, I applied a green wash, specifically Army Painter Quickshade Green Tone, on all my sand to give it the appearance of grass. Then finally, I gave the bases a nice dry brushing of P3 Cygnus Yellow. This is going to highlight the grass so your models will look great on the piece of green felt you're playing on. And there you have 3 finished 40k retro bases, right out of the 90s. These would look great under some old lead minis. We make tutorials like these every week, and if you like them and want more of them, you can help us out by supporting us over on Patreon. And you'll get some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. If you're looking for something a little more modern, you should check out our Ruined Battlefield bases. Find these videos and lots more like them on our basing playlist, where you'll find tons of unique and simple bases. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.